Hey there! Today we are installing an Obsidian wire custom HSS for Strat 7-way wiring harness. If you are unsure about any of the installation or any of the wiring, be sure to check out Obsidian Wire's website. They have all the information there. They have extra help for all the pickup color codes and anything else that you might need help with. Today I'm wiring a Fender HSS Stratocaster. So let's get going. Okay, here we go. Here's the kit. Just taking a look at it for the first time, taking it out of the package. And it comes with everything you need. It's got all the hardware. It has the output jack. It's got all the bolts and screws and washers and everything. So basically you're just plugging and playing. So here we go. And we're going to take the instruction manual. We're looking at the custom HSS 7-way. So that's the wiring that we're going to follow. A little bit of prep work, not too much. You got to take the pick guard off and remove your old gear. We're going to be swapping out 3 pots and a switch, essentially. So do that and get everything out of the way, clean it up, clean up your wires. A lot of the time is spent if your wires aren't sharp on the end. So we're going to remove the switch, we're going to remove the pots. There we go. It's that simple. It's really quick. Now we're going to pop in the kit. It should just slide right in. Reattach everything, 2 screws in the switch, don't forget that. And then you've got a washer, and we're going to attach the 3 pots just like that. Put the switch tip back on, and there we go, ready to go. First thing, we're going to take out the old output jack. You don't have to do this, but I recommend it. The new kit has nice wiring, and it's all clean, and look at that. So put that back together, and now we can actually start wiring. So I'm going to show the first one up close here. You're basically pushing down and then sticking it in the slot, and then I'll do one more, and then we'll do the rest of them fast. And you got to figure out which cable goes in which slot, but it's pretty simple once you have the diagram. And there we go. That's the humbucker pickup done. These are the ground wires. They're all going into that one slot there. And then we're doing the other 2 pickups. And it's as simple as that. You got your middle and you got your neck pickup. Now before you close everything up, test the connections, make sure you got it all right. I like to use a multimeter. You can use a little mini amp. And just I want to mention this one issue that could occur, and it actually happened to me. And in position 2, if you noticed that your sound is thin or sounds out of phase, there's a chance you might have your pickups wired out of phase, which I did. So my middle and my neck pickup, I just had to reverse the wires, and that fixed it. So just something to note, it's a common issue. So we went from this to this, and there you go.